Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos and I'm here to show you how to make this gorgeous, quick and easy painted harvest gift card or thank you card. And I also have a video, we'll be making a video to show you how to make this gift box for these cards as well. So that will be following after this video. So that's the box, but I'm going to show you how to make these cards. They are super fast, super quick and easy. So let me tell you what you're going to need. So we need a card base, which I'm using a green, almost like an olive green, and this is 8 by 4, scored at 4. And then I have some navy blue, which is 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. Then I have some white cardstock, which is 3 1/2 by 3 1/2, and then you'll need 2 of those pieces. And then I have a scrap piece of Whisper White, and I have some scrap white card for the insides, which are 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. I need 1 piece. I've got yellow on this one, but I've got some scrap card to use up for this one. So taking your 2 pieces of Whisper White, one for the front and one that we need to cut out, and we're going to be using, oops, get my inks ready. So we're using Marina Mist and Dapper Denim. We are using, oh my gosh, forgot to tell you nearly, the Painted Harvest stamp set by Stampin' Up and the coordinating punch. So that is the stamp set, and using your Marina Mist, we're going to take the larger of the flowers, so the more solid image, and we're just going to stamp that down. On that one it doesn't matter where, but on this one you need to do it more on the top half, like that. And then you're going to take your Dapper Denim and taking the more detailed stamp. Now you can line it up because it has got that long one there, but it doesn't really matter on this stamp if it's not perfectly placed. And that is just, look at that, that is just so gorgeous. And then for the centre, I am using Pink Pirouette, and we're just going to put that down there, and like that. And then with your scrap piece of Whisper White, let's pop them to one side for a minute, we're going to do the leaves, and we're using Emerald Envy and Pear Pizzazz. And we've got the solid leaf image first, and we're just going to pop that down like that, and then using your Emerald Envy and the more detailed leaf stamp, and try not to get ink all over your fingers like I just did, and we're just going to line that up, and I think I missed, I did. So what I'm going to do, you might be better off doing the detailed one first and then do your background stamp. I find that actually easier. There you go, that's better. So I do my detailed one because, as you can see, I kind of missed there. And then we need basic black for the sentiment. So with the one that we've done more to the top of the cardstock, we're going to take the sentiment I think my ink pad needs inking up a bit. Just going to stamp that there. We can punch out our leaf Such a handy little punch this is. And we may as well go ahead and put some dimensionals on while we've got it. So I'm just putting one on the big one, and then I'm going to cut this in half. For the other two leaves, and that's ready to stick on in a bit. And then what we need to do, we need to cut out, fussy cut one of the flowers. Now, if you don't like fussy cutting, you could just put that on your card as it is. You don't have to do the flower on top. I like it, but I like it both ways. So if you're not a fan of fussy cutting, you don't have to do this. Now, I still do not know how to fast forward, so now might be a time for you to go make a cup of tea, let the dog out for a wee. I don't know, so bear with me while I can't find my snips either. Would you believe it? And I've got two pairs as well. So I've got these horrible old scissors, which I really don't like. So we're just going to fussy cut around all of these petals, and I've got something sticky stuck to my scissors. Now, you won't believe this, but this is actually the second time I've done this video, because I did it earlier and then I deleted it by accident. Can you believe that? And I did it on my phone, so I don't know how to recover it when you delete it. So I'm not happy with myself. So we're doing this all over again. But I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend. It's my youngest grandson's birthday today, on St. Patrick's Day. So I'm taking him out in a bit. So I just wanted to get this done. Oh, actually, by the time I get this uploaded, it might be tomorrow, not being St. Patrick's Day. So I don't know if I'll get this uploaded and edited today, but I am filming this on St. Patrick's Day. Oh, come on, Chanel, get quicker with your scissors. I would sing to you, but I can't sing. Only on karaoke once, having a few Prosecco's. Well, that's only happened a handful of times, because I cannot sing to save my life. Oh, come on. I haven't been to karaoke in years. I used to love going to karaoke to watch. I used to love watching the good and the bad. I just think it's so much fun when people get up and sing, whether they are good or bad. I don't think there is a bad. I think there is always good in having fun. Nearly there. So if you've gone to make a cup of tea, come back. Nearly done. Last little bit. Oh, right, okay. I'm not really a fan of fussy cutting, I must admit, but that's not too bad. Okay, so we're going to put this card together. So we're taking our base and the navy. Right, don't mess up, Chanel, don't mess up. You're nearly at the end. Do not mess up. I hope you're all enjoying my daily giveaways. I'm having a lot of fun with them. Right, so that goes on there. Then we have the white layer with the stamped image. Like that. And then we're going to take, where did I put my leaf? There it is. I'm going to pop my leaf down. Oh, I nearly lost it amongst all my scraps on the table. Come here. Right, I've got my leaf here. And we're just going to pop that down like that. And then I'm going to put some some dimensionals on the back of the flower. Oh, my desk is a mess, so I've got to clean it up like that. And then all that's left to do is our centre layer. Which is like that. And there you have it. A gorgeous, gorgeous card. And super fast, super easy. Now you'll see this one is a lot darker because I missed this stamp when I did it, so I had to go over it by hand, but it still looks good. So these are the cards, and like I said, there will be a video to follow on how to make these little gift boxes to put them in. So I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you're having a good weekend, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.